Good morning. Welcome to FOMC Day. Today we have a FOMC interest rate decision, and we're likely going to have some low volume waiting for, some consolidation, chopping around, waiting for Powell, and then we're going to start moving by the time the press conference is on, likely. We also have the 90-day pause of tariffs coming up to an end, and the China news from last night that we had there was news that Besant was gonna go to China and have a meeting over there, and so there was this spike at the open of the Globex session. It was a huge spike. And then we just consolidated, and then now we're testing the spike again. So testing the spike is, one of the most bearish scenarios when you have a spike. Obviously, the most bearish scenario is trading above the range, but so now today we're seeing if value from yesterday gets accepted or gets rejected. So accepting below 56.47, which we are now trading right now, attempting to go lower, means that we're likely going to sweep through value and then test the point of control first, which is here at 56.25, and then value area low, which is at 56.22 on change. So that is right now the likely scenario. It's looking more likely. If we reject value from yesterday, then we're gonna be trading against all this consolidation from the overnight session, and it might get a little choppy. And so I would be willing to look for longs, but only if we start trading above yesterday's high. And from there, I will look at the upper targets, the overnight high, and then this high from a couple of days ago, and the untested point of control, and then the targets that I posted this morning in the Discord. If we sweep through value, and then yesterday, this is an area that I was looking for a bounce yesterday, and then we got a nice bounce, but testing it again is more likely to break. This area, the first test is usually the one that when you want to look for the reaction, and then the second, third time that if they keep getting tested, then likely to break. So we have these three lows all together here: the overnight low, yesterday's low, and this low from end of April. At 5600. So if that breaks, then the target is 5587, which is that untested settlement that I mentioned yesterday. And then from there, the 5580, which is that low volume node, that if we don't hold that, then 5550 is very likely. And and then from there, you either look for a quick reversal or some consolidation, and then trading back to the bottom side of the range, which in this case is the previous week's low, which is kind of far from that. So and then in days like today, anything could happen. So that's why I posted all those levels, because we really could have a way bigger move than the expected move. Yesterday I said that crude, had a look below and fell, and the 60 was the target, and overnight we got to 60. So now we're coming back down. So now if we hold these highs, then the target is 58.20, which is the 20-day point of control. And some consolidation here. And then gold. So after taking that you know, the 3380 area, it kept going. It's pretty strong again. So we want to see how the reaction is today during the FOMC, but it's back trading inside the range of this 2-day balance. Now we have 4 sessions that we're trading up here. So let's see if this holds and if this keeps attempting to retest those highs at 3,500. But if it rejects and we come back below this, this is the area right here. So what level is this? So below 3350, then we can look for a short down to 3320. And by the way, you can see now ES is pulling back. It's making new lows as I speak. So we're likely gonna get that value area sweep just either before the market opens or right at the open. All right, so good luck.